Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish Academy. This is episode 363. Have you ever had your lens not focus? And doesn't it always seem like it's at a very critical moment? At least it is for me. Well, a couple of things I'd like you to check. First of all, if your lens won't focus, have you accidentally bumped it maybe from autofocus to manual focus? That can be found on the side of the lens, so make sure you haven't bumped it. I have done that and then didn't understand why my lens wouldn't focus. But lately and more commonly, what I have seen is photographers placing the lens too close to the subject. So it's really important to understand that every lens has a minimum focusing distance. That is how close the lens can be to the subject. So say for instance, if I was photographing my ring and I had this lens, I could not use the 50mm lens this close on a ring. It would never focus because the minimum focus distance on a 50mm 1.4 is 1.5 feet. So that's 18 inches. So what is that? About like, maybe about like that, 18 inches? That lens could focus. So if you are too close to your subject and your lens will not focus, try backing up. A lot of times that's the problem. I think that everyone should know the minimum focus distances on all of their lenses. That way you have a gauge and you know what to expect. So the 51.4 is about 18 inches, 1.5 feet. The 24 to 70, 2.8 is a little less than that. It's 1.2 feet, so it can focus a little bit closer. Some 24 to 70s also have macro capabilities, meaning they can just focus closer. 1.2 feet is not bad, but my favorite lens, the 70 to 200, has a minimum focus distance of 3.6 feet. So in my mind, I just round that up to 4 feet. So I'm always thinking, am I at least 4 feet away from my subject in order to take this photo? But again, you don't have to know these exact numbers, although I think you should for your lenses. You can look it up either on Nikon or Canon's website. It's just that if you're too close and the lens won't focus, try backing up because maybe you are just too close to your subject. If I tried to take a photo of you with this close, it would never focus. It would just all day, it would hunt. It would never be able to lock a focus. Just back up a little bit. So I like to use my 50 a lot for some close-up shots of bridal portraits. So a little bit close, but never closer than 18 inches because I know the minimum focus distance is 1.5 feet. So for your lenses below, if you happen to know your minimum focus distance, will you please put it down in the comments so other people can see, know, and learn? But if your lens won't focus, of course, the first thing is to check. Make sure you didn't accidentally bump it into manual focus, and then ask yourself, am I just too darn close? Maybe I need to back up. I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you in the next video.